Welcome to JZGraphics. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a modern boat poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to Go Bold Regular. Adjust text spacing. And place it at the top. Open Layer panel, select Text Layer, press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Press Ctrl+T, and drag it downward. And place it where you want to place. Then press Ctrl+Shift+Alt+T for duplicate copies. Hold Shift key, and select all layers. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. And minimize its size. Go to the Filter menu, and then Liquify. Use these settings. And apply like this. Go to the File menu, Place, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+J for a duplicate copy. Select Object Selection tool, and make a selection of boat. Then add Layer Mask to it. Right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Add Layer Mask to it. Go to the Brush tool. Use these settings. Foreground color must be black. And apply like this. Follow my other text settings. Duplicate image layer. Change its blend mode to color dodge and decrease its opacity to 40%. Do the same with boat layer. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.